We open some BMP file that has to be saved as a black and white 24 bits. Let's try this file. It's BMP file. Then we convert it to SVG and then convert SVG to JB. JB is job, and that file format is specific for ICOCAM. When we finish all these three operations, choose bitmap file, then second and third, we open that file. It looks small now, but we have to select it and then scale it to fit 24 inches width. So after that we move it to origin and zoom to fit on the screen. We zoom in a little bit and then click nodes to see all points. We can reduce size of file by removing some points without losing on quality. So first we're gonna remove all small polyline. In this case probably will not remove any, because there is no small polyline for this BMP file, but we can do it. Okay, remove 0 polylines, which is okay. Now remove short line segments, and we see it removed 37% of size of the file without losing any quality. Then we remove almost collinear line segments, and file is smaller for 31%, but it didn't lose anything in quality. We can repeat this many times until we start losing in quality. We are still okay, but let's see once more. And I don't like this, so I'll go back, undo and undo. Let's see offset now. It recalculate offset. So we don't need offsets here, and now we're gonna remove some point manually. Let's zoom in that area where we want to. Here we have tools to remove nodes. This is pretty close to the other side, then we can remove it. Okay. We can pan by pressing right mouse button, click and dragging mouse. And now we have to go all the way around and make it more smooth. Check everything, you know, I will not do that now, but let's see. We have tools for removing whole polyline, that's removing inside polyline, but I don't like to do this here, so I'll undo it. And then when I go here, then I press generate G code. I can choose material, that's and plasma, so it adjusts my offset, and then I don't generate G code, so I don't need to save that because I'm not cutting it. So when I close it, I'll go here to turn G code mode on, and now I can preview all and simulate. You see little red line that when I move this pointer, it will move. So if I zoom it to see it better, okay, I can use arrow keys and go one by one to simulate G code. We don't need to do that operation often, but in some problems or something, it will always work properly. Okay, that's all. In couple minutes we achieved to have G code for BMP.